I know. Tecember did not happen. I apologize greatly for not continuing up with my uploading schedule, which was supposed to be every other day up until my birthday. Y'all know how life be. Life be freaking life, and a huge curveball was thrown my way, so I had to take a step back. But I'm back and I'm better. Hey girlies, do y'all see these nails? Oh, it's time for me to get my nails done. So I'm headed over to Amazon, and for $30, I purchased the BTArtboxnails. Now these are press-ons. $30. Do y'all remember back when French manis were $25 in the salon? Okay, I'm bringing it back to those times because I know right now you probably can't get your nails done for $25 unless they finna be raggedy. So anyway, y'all, these are the colors that come in this specific kit. Very vibrant, but what press-ons do you know that you can get long tapered square nails? I will freaking wait. In the last couple of years when I've had my nails done on my channel, it's been from them. This video has not been sponsored. Let's get into it. Before we get started, I want to show you guys these cute, fun Christmas cases that I seen on Amazon, and they were must-haves. Honestly, I did not have high expectations for these cases because I thought it was going to be cheap and flimsy. Baby, no. That one was like 2 for 1. This one right here is my girl, though. I love her down. It's the color. It's the Christmas tree. It's just the whole litty vibe, okay? And, of course, we had to get us a gingerbread one. Now we're going to get started with prepping our nails by pushing our cuticles back. I feel like if you're going to be wearing press-ons and you skip this step, your nails are going to look fake. You want them to give salon quality. If you don't do this step, they're just going to look like press-ons. The whole point of getting press-ons is to make them not look like press-ons, okay? So I'm taking my cuticle bit and just cleaning around my cuticle area. Mind you, I do have it on the lowest speed. I am not a professional, so I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just a girl doing her nails, okay? So I'm also going in with my cuticle clipper, and I'm just clipping away the dead cuticle. When you have dead cuticle, it's just like you can see a line of demarcation from your actual skin, and so that's where I clip it at. Now, you actually can cut your actual skin if you don't be careful. I'm taking a sanding bit and just removing the shine off of my natural nail. Do not press hard when doing this because you will damage your nails. Just lightly remove that shine, and also remember to keep your nail drill low. Okay, I had mine on 3. Now I'm going in to size my nails. I love that this nail kit comes with so many different sizes. You will be able to find your size. Now, when finding your size, make sure you are making sure the nail fits from sidewall to sidewall. If it doesn't, you can file down a nail that is closest to your nail. Don't ever get them or wear them too big or too small because they would just fly off of your finger. Now, I'm just doing a numbering system. That way I can keep track of what nail is going where. So I just use the numbering system 1 through 5, and it helps me in the future when I want to wear a different color. I can just line it up and be like, okay, this is for my pinky, this is for my index. Y'all get my drift. I also like going in and removing the shine off of the back of the press-on nail as well. After I use my sanding bit, I do wash my hands, so I have to go in with my Mia's Secret nail dehydrator to remove any oils that were left on my hands from the soap that I use. So I do apply a thin layer of this on each of my nails. So now we're gonna get ready to actually glue our nails on. This nail glue, Beauty Secrets, it's like super glue for nails. When I tell you guys your nails are not going to be going anywhere, it ain't going nowhere if you do the prepping and you apply a lot of glue, okay? So I place glue on the inside of the nail, and I also placed it on my natural nail. When pressing down the nail, I'm making sure it is lined up straight because once that's on there, it ain't coming off. But I also make sure to press it from the cuticle area to the top of my nail. This is going to give an even layer of glue, which won't allow air bubbles to get in your nails. Air bubbles in your nails is not a good look overall. So yeah, I'm taking some acetone. You can use alcohol, but I'm using acetone to remove the glue that spilled outside of the nails off. You do not want this on your skin. Again, apply a good amount of glue on the inside of the nail and spread it out. Make sure you do the same thing on your natural nail. Once you have all that glue, line it up, make sure it's straight, and press down from your cuticle area and slowly allow the glue to rise from the bottom to the top of your nail. Like I said, it's going to give you an even layer. You ain't going to have no bubbles. So once again, I am just going to clean up this area with a little bit of acetone. Be sure not to get the acetone on the actual, nail, because it can, remove the paint. You can use alcohol, but I just prefer acetone to do this. But look how pretty they are freaking coming out. Y'all can't tell me nothing, okay? Using my nail filer, I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of the tab that is left on the top of the nail when you remove it from the nail kit. I do make sure to file at a 90-degree angle so my top of the nail can be nice and sharp. But again, y'all don't understand, like, tapered press-on nails. What? Going in with my builder nail gels from Model 1s, y'all, this is a game changer for press-on nails. I have people asking me, where'd you get your nails done? I say, Amazon. They be like, what? I say, girl, yes, Amazon. So builder gel pretty much adds a protective layer to your nail, which is going to prevent it from chipping. It's also going to add strength to your nail. Be sure to set your nails. I don't know where I seen this at, but I seen somebody just flip their hands under and hold it there for 30 seconds. And then I like to go in and place my hand under the nail lamp for 60 seconds. Now, I forgot to show you guys wiping off the side walls of my nails in the cuticle area from that product, because you do not want the builder gel to be flooded in your cuticles or on the sidewalls, because it will burn, okay? And then it will, especially if you're using gel to secure your nails down, it will cause and create lifting. So be sure to wipe that off before curing it in your nail lamp. Oh, look how these are turning out. Okay, they're so freaking cute. Don't even hate, okay? Don't even hate. Lastly, we're going in with Model 1's top coat, okay? This is going to add another layer of security and also some shine to our nails. Now, in the event when you take your nails out from curing it from the builder gel and it's lumpy, just take a file and follow it down and then add your top coat on and cure it. If you don't have any bumps and lumps and you're ready to add your top coat, but you're like, it's sticky, it's tacky, don't worry about that. Just put your top coat on and cure it under your lamp for 90 seconds. You will be fine, I promise you. Also, again, please make sure to cap the top of your nails. Make sure you put the builder gel on the top of the nail and also the top coat. If not, your nails will start to chip quickly. All right. Do be sure to clean up your cuticle area and the side walls, because you don't want the product on your skin at all. So I'm gonna place these under here for 90 seconds and we're gonna go ahead and we gotta oil up them cuticles. Now I'm going in with this cuticle oil. This is from Amazon. It smells amazing. This is milk and honey, and baby, it's very, very much moisturizing. I love this. My hands were so ashy, I put this all over my hands, okay? My ring finger, if you guys can tell, that color of the nail is a different color from the rest of the nails because I put the nail on crooked. My nail was literally cross-sided. Who was gonna walk around like that? Not me. So I had to go in and use acetone to soak that nail off. Y'all, I use nail glue and I had to use acetone to soak it off. That shows you how strong it is. But this is how my nails turned out. I love them, y'all. I'm telling you, $30. $30 for this. Stop playing. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I'll be sure to link everything in the description section below. And until my next video, your girl will see you later. Bye, guys.